How to embed YouTube video in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and then go to Apps. In Apps, search for Embed, or simply go to Apps and scroll all the way down. Here you'll find all the options. Search for Embed, or directly go to search bar and type in Embed, which is EMBED. Click on Enter. Then click on the first one that pops up, which is Embed. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Open. After that, you need to paste web link in here. Simply paste the link you want to embed. Click on Add to Design. As you can see, it has been uploaded. That's how to embed YouTube video in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.